Anyway, last one of the day. Wayne Gretzky rookie card sells for a record $1.29 million. I don't know if you knew, Will, COVID, the lockdown stuff has really got people interested in collector's items. And it's not just hockey cards, baseball cards, Pokemon cards, figures, and special limited edition things. You got people all fired up. They're sitting at home and they want to get that interest into something. They want to browse eBay, and it has all this extra interest. Elevates the price of these things. Anyway, the Great Ones collectible card from his rookie season fetched $1.29 million. It's the very first hockey card to sell for more than $1 million. Typically, the million plus, when it comes to cards, Will, is mostly going to be baseball cards. There's a longer tradition of baseball cards than hockey cards. You want to know what's crazy? Let me tell you something crazy right now. When I was a kid, I was into hockey cards, and actually, I used
No surprise there.
I actually used to frequent one of the hockey card shops in the hood.
Okay.
And they had this card. I don't know how mint it was, but it was mint at the time. Mint was enough for us as kids. I mean, now they have all kinds of versions of
The
mint.
10 rating.
How mint?
Yeah.
Anyway, it was a mint card, and it was in the case. And I believe, now I'm going on some pretty long ago recollection here, but I believe it was listed for $750 when I was a youngster. Maybe I was eight years old. Is that crazy? I don't know, because at the time Gretzky was still playing, so it wasn't like he was. I mean, he was the great one, but it wasn't like the card was that old at that moment.
I see.
You see, the card is from '79, right? So you only have a mint condition. I mean, I would have had to buy it and keep it as mint as it was.
Right.
But that might have been, that's like Bitcoin level right there.
Yeah. That could have
Had
been
I picked that up. But
worthwhile
anyway, to
investment.
show you how hot the card collection is, the last time the same card sold was in 2016, and it only sold for $465,000 in 2016. So the card thing is for real. The card hype post-COVID, mid-COVID times is a real thing that's going on. And if you're talking about hockey cards, if you're talking about hockey, then you're talking about Wayne Gretzky. And it's not hard to recognize that he should absolutely hold the record for the priciest card sold ever. And he does.